Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. Today I'm making extra crispy Chinese chicken wings with Mumbo Sauce. Chicken wings are popular at almost all Chinese restaurants, but Mumbo Sauce is a regional favorite in Washington, D.C., but supposedly originated in Chicago. Either way, I've had them in Washington, D.C. a few times, and they're amazing. The recipe to the original Mumbo Sauce is unknown and varies from place to place, and you can even buy different varieties by the bottle now, but I have yet to try any. So let's get started on my version. I'm going to start by making a marinade and batter for the chicken wings with soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, Shaoxing Chinese Cooking Wine, granulated garlic, sugar, black pepper, and if you have it, use a combination of black and white pepper, salt, and 2 eggs. I'll leave a copy of the recipe for the chicken wings and the Mumbo Sauce in the description below. Now beat the eggs like they stole your lunch money until everything's well combined. And now add cornstarch and flour. Give it a good mix until all the flour and cornstarch is combined, and when you're done, it should look like a thin pancake batter. Now I'm adding the chicken wings and I'm leaving them whole. You can cut the wings in half and remove the wing tips if you like, but most Chinese restaurants serve them whole, so that's how I'm doing them today. Now get your hands in here and give them a good mix until they're thoroughly coated, or you can use a spatula, but I think mixing them with your hands makes them taste better. Now once they're all thoroughly mixed and coated, place them into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. 8 to 12 hours is even better. Now while the wings are marinating, let's make the Mumbo Sauce. This is my version of the Mumbo Sauce, and it's pretty close to the Mumbo Sauces I've had. Now I'm using ketchup as the base of the sauce, followed by white vinegar, Sriracha sauce, and don't let the Sriracha sauce scare you, the Mumbo Sauce is not that spicy at all. Pineapple juice, sugar, and finally some sweet paprika. Now give it a good stir, turn the heat up to medium-high, and bring it up to a light boil. Once it comes up to a boil, reduce the heat to medium and let it cook with the lid off for 5 minutes until it reduces and thickens. And then set it aside and let's fry the wings. Here's the wings after marinating in the refrigerator for 12 hours. I've let them sit out on the counter for 1 hour to come up to room temperature. You don't want to try to deep fry an ice cold wing, otherwise it's going to reduce your oil temperature and you're going to have soggy wings. Now I'm going to very carefully add the wings to preheated 350 degree oil. Now let the wings fry for 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and cooked through. And here's what they should look like when they're done. And then drain them on a wire rack. You do not want to drain them on paper towels, otherwise you're not going to have that wonderful crispy chicken skin. It's going to be soggy. And there you have it. Extra crispy Chinese chicken wings with Mumbo Sauce. The chicken wings are crispy on the outside, moist, tender, and delicious on the inside, and the Mumbo Sauce is like a mildly spicy sweet and sour sauce. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you give these a try, and better yet, if you do give them a try and you're ever in the Washington, D.C. area, give them a try here and see how they compare.